Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this wooden heart from Dollar Tree as well as some cardboard. I traced out the heart on the cardboard and cut that out. I then sprayed one side of the cardboard with water. I let that set on there for about 10 minutes and then peeled off that top layer of cardboard, exposing the corrugated part. I then went around and just made sure that was completely dry. Now you can just use the cardboard. I thought it would be a little bit too flimsy, so I hot glued it to the wood hanger that I had used to trace it. I then painted the entire thing with barn red acrylic paint, and that is by Apple Barrel. I then just used a small screwdriver to push through the hole of the hanger. And then I'm taking this white and red checkered fabric I got from Walmart, and I'm using a baby wipe and applying antique wax to it. I just wanted to darken it up a bit and give it a more rustic look. And then dried that completely. Next, I'm wrapping that around the heart and knotting that a couple times and trimming up the tails. I also just added a small amount of hot glue to keep that into place. Next, I'm using this berry vine that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just trimming a couple pieces down. And I just need to see how tall I need that and trim it up a little bit more as needed. I then take those two pieces and I just wrap them around each other in the center of them to keep them together. I tuck that underneath the fabric and then add a little bit of hot glue to keep that into place. I'd also made a bow out of that same fabric and place that on top of those. And then I'm using this small wooden heart and painting that with the same barn red color and adding some antique wax to it. I hot glue that on the center of the bow and then add back in a twine hanger. After I trim up the excess twine on the knot, I just add a small amount of hot glue to make sure that doesn't come apart. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.